Hey guys, my name's Ryan Hogue. You may have found me through a recently published CNBC article where I talked about making passive income online. And specifically, I talked about how much of an impact one specific tool called MyDesigns has had on my print-on-demand business. In this video, I want to talk you through specifically for beginners how to get started leveraging the most powerful AI-based software on the market that is completely disrupting print on demand. Sellers who adopt this early are going to be the most successful moving forward. So I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know as a beginner in this video so you can get started with MyDesigns. Let's get to it. So the tool we're going to be using today is called MyDesigns. I'll drop a link to it in the description so you can follow along. Once you log into your account, you'll see a dashboard. Now, before we get to the more repetitive aspect of using MyDesigns, I'm going to walk you through how to get started. So click Settings on the left-hand side and then click Payments. You're going to need to keep a credit card on file. This way, when you make orders, MyDesigns can route your order to the production partner that's going to fulfill it and send it to your customer. All right, this is required. Next, you need to make sure that MyDesigns is connected to your Etsy shop. By the way, they are going to expand the integrations over time. It's currently supporting Etsy and Shopify, but I know there's plans to support additional marketplaces like Amazon, Walmart, and hopefully more in the future. So connect your Etsy shop. It should be able to be connected in 2 clicks, something like 2 or 3 clicks. It's very simple. If you don't have an Etsy shop, I'll put another link in the description so that you can start one and get 40 free product listings because, hey, who doesn't like free anything? So once you've got that done, guys, go ahead and click Listings on the left-hand side. This is where you're going to spend most of your time as a MyDesigns seller. The first thing you're going to want to do is create a new folder for your batch of uploads. When I use MyDesigns, I'm thinking in terms of batches. I'm not doing one-off product listings. Like, I'm not going to just create a listing for this shirt that you see me wearing. I'm going to do, this design plus maybe 10 other designs. That's what's so powerful about MyDesigns. In addition to all the AI solutions that I'm going to show you, everything that you do, you can do in bulk. You can do up to 120 designs at a time. It is absolutely insane. So in the top left corner up here, next to where it says listings, I had already created a folder called Ryan, but you're going to want to click, most likely if you're new, it's going to say home, click that. Then click add folder and call your folder something. I have a bunch of tropical designs that we're going to upload, so I'm going to call it tropical. Here you can apply a template to your listings. This is not required, but I do recommend it. Click saved templates, and then under here, go ahead and click Etsy print on demand. Then click add new folder. Okay, there's our folder. I'm going to click the folder and then I'm going to click open folder. So now we've got a brand new folder. Next up, we need to upload our designs. I'm going to go ahead and click upload in the top right corner, and then I'm going to click upload files. And now all I have to do is drag and drop my designs into the upload section. So I've got 13 tropical themed designs. I'm going to upload them by clicking upload all and then clicking upload designs. So now that our designs are uploaded, we need to create some product mockups so that the Etsy customers that we're selling to know what to expect. They know what they're buying. Okay. By the way, Etsy gets over 400 million monthly visits. That is a massive audience to sell to. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well. When it comes to mockups, by the way, Etsy actually lets us push up to 10 mockups at a time. So we're going to edit our template and add some additional mockup slots. So up here in the top right corner where it says template, click that. And you can see here we have our 3 mockup spots, but we can go ahead and we can add additional mockup slots. I'm just going to click the big plus button. Now that's number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we have 10 mockup slots. The default right here, I'm just going to move that to the top because that's where that represents the file that we uploaded. And then we have another 10 mockup slots to work with. I'm going to hit save changes and then I'm going to hit update template. So now we have 10 mockup slots on all of our product listings. So I'm going to go ahead in the top left corner where it says 0 out of 13 and I'm going to hit select all. Now I'm going to click mockups and create image mockup. And we're going to do just that, guys. We can create image mockups. MyDesigns has a bunch of mockups built in for us to use already, but we can also upload our own custom mockups as well. I've done a ton of that in my personal MyDesigns account. So I think that we should, we've got tropical themed designs. Why don't we sell some tank tops? Okay, t-shirts are pretty saturated on Etsy. A lot of people are trying to sell t-shirts on Etsy. It's going to be easier to be successful selling anything other than t-shirts, in my opinion. So where it says search mockups, I'm going to type in 3480. This is the Bella Canvas 3480 tank top. It is very comfortable. It's unisex. It's got a decent number of colors to choose from. It's going to make a great option for us. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pick what I want my first thumbnail to be. I like a flat mockup for the first one, kind of like the one behind me here. That is because by not showing a man or a woman wearing it, we can market it as a true unisex. Now, alternatively, maybe we could consider this behind me here where you have a man and a woman both wearing it as well, so that it looks like a unisex fit additionally. Really, it's up to you. It's your shop. You get to choose what to do. I'm going to go ahead and click this flat mockup right here. And then what I'm going to do is up in the top left corner where it says multi-product, I'm going to enable that. And now we can choose up to really as many mockups as we want. So I'm going to choose a few, okay? So we've got this first one here already selected. And it's getting written to, let's write it to file slot number 7. Now I'm going to choose, maybe this one of a woman wearing it. This one of a man wearing it. How about this one as well? You can really just choose whatever you want, guys. You can also customize what color they're wearing. So behind me, it looks like it's white, but if you actually look at the color picker, you can change that. So I can change that to black if I want to, white if I want to. You have control, okay, over choosing the colors even. Just make sure that whatever colors you offer in your mockup can be fulfilled when you actually publish this product for sale in MyDesigns. So we're going to have to think a few steps down the line in the future. And that's just something that you get familiar with over time. If you're watching this for the first time, don't worry, it gets easier. I usually just make a list of the colors available. So I like this one here with a man and woman both wearing it. So I'm going to select that as well. It says duplicate output slots detected. So we can just change where that's going to get written to. I'm going to have them wearing it in white as well. Okay, and I think that looks pretty good. Maybe we'll do just this hanging one as well. So I'm going to select that. Okay, and now I'm going to click Generate Mockups in the top right corner and click Generate Mockups. Now, just give it a little bit of time. It is bulk processing all of the mockups that we just selected, and it's going to do it for each one of these listings here that you see behind me. You can also even toggle the view to a grid view so that you can feature the designs more prominently in MyDesigns, okay? Now, we need to do our SEO, our search engine optimization. That's what assists the Etsy algorithm in understanding what it is that we're selling. We already have all 13 of our listings selected. Remember, we did that in the top left corner by hitting select all. Now, we used to have to do the SEO a little bit manually, right? Writing a title, writing a description, writing the tags. But now, MyDesigns has this AI that will literally look at our graphics, our designs, and do our SEO for us using AI, right? To both read the image itself, understand the image, and then do our SEO, okay? It is incredible. It does it better than most humans could do it. It's called Vision AI. So I'm gonna click Vision AI. The platform is defaulted to Etsy. The product type in this case is a tank top. So we need to make sure that tank top is here. It does not look like, oh no, it is. It's the fourth one down, perfect. By default, title, description, and tags is already selected, so we don't need to do anything. I'm just gonna click Generate Listing Data, and then yes, run Vision AI. Prepare to be amazed. It is literally gonna do all of our SEO for us, and it does a great job. While that works in the background, let me show you the mockups that it just generated for us. As I mentioned, it's doing it all in bulk, okay? If you wanna know how I just selected all of them all at once, all you have to do is double click on the file slot and it'll default all, or it'll change the view of all of the listings for us. Check that out. I think it's pretty slick. I mean, this is making our mockups on our tank tops look really good. If you ask me, we've got different colors as well, okay? And it looks like, what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different mockups. I also love the unisex one here as well. And I wanted to also mention, guys, I can't forget to mention that we can do video mockups as well, okay? By having multiple image mockups, we can feed them in, and MyDesigns can also generate a video for us. So before I show you the title, tags, and description that it generated for us, let's go back to mockups and then create video mockup. Now, during this portion, I like to uncheck all of the images, and then I'm going to click them in the order I want them to appear in the video. So I'm just going to go ahead and click all of them, except notice I did not click the initial design slot because that should not be in the video. Okay, that's the actual print file that the printer is going to use when it sells. Now we need an output file slot. I'm just going to select Mockup 3 to write the video to. You can preview it, by the way, if you want to, but that's going to take up time. For the sake of this video, let's just click submit because I know this video is going to work. It's going to basically show the various mockups that we just selected in order, kind of transitioning from one to the next to the next. This is actually very valuable because Etsy implemented something over a year ago where if you're on desktop and you're browsing Etsy looking to shop for things and you hover over a listing with your mouse, it'll autoplay the video. So it's important to have a video there. They've also published statistics on Etsy that having a video helps increase your conversion rate. So while the videos are generating, let's check out the title. So this first one here, it says Aloha Beach Tank Top, Tropical Palm Trees Graphic, Summer Vacation Casual Wear, Colorful Women's Sleeveless Shirt. Now it is unisex, so if you wanted to, what we could do, since we have that word women's in there, we can go to all actions and then go to edit in bulk. We can select title because that's where it was. Action, we can go to find and replace. I'm going to paste where it says women's and then replace with, I can just say the word unisex. Okay, so now instead of it saying colorful women's sleeveless shirt, it's going to say colorful unisex sleeveless shirt. It actually does a preview right there as well. So I actually got to see in real time that it was going to perform the replacement. Then I click apply to selected listings. Yes, update. Boom, done. Just like that, it did the change. Okay, now it says unisex. Also the videos, guys. What do you say we preview this video now that it's done? So this is what it just built for us. You can see here, this video, and it did that in bulk for all of our listings. I mean, this is just incredible, the power of this software. If you guys were wondering, it can do all of these bulk processes up to 120 at a time. I'm currently doing 13, not 130, but 13. And it could do almost 10x that. It could do up to 120. So it's so powerful, guys. This next one, zodiac sign, it's the crab. So it says unisex, zodiac sign, cancer top, tank top, astrology, graphic tee, birthday gift. By the way, birthday may seem out of place, but don't forget that the zodiac signs are related to when you're born. So it actually makes sense to have the word birthday in there. Celestial, crab design, summer beachwear, light blue. All right, it writes a description for us as well. Celebrate your star sign with this gorgeous zodiac sign Cancer tank top. Perfect for those summer days or a birthday gift for your favorite Cancerian. The light blue tank top features a celestial crab design representing the Cancer astrology sign with a stylish typography design that reads zodiac sign. Made for a comfort and style, this top is ideal for beach trips, casual outings, or cozy nights stargazing. Honor the stars with this unique piece in your wardrobe. So again, getting the correlation with the zodiac signs and the constellations. Love that, guys. I mean, I couldn't have done it better myself. Finally, the tags. These are the bane of your existence. If you've ever sold on Etsy, you really need to do 13 tags for every listing you create on Etsy. And those tags have a 20 character limit. So you can spend a lot of time doing them, guys. So here are the tags that the AI did for us. And by the way, it did the Vision AI did our SEO for all of these listings here. Let's check this out for the zodiac sign, the crab. It says zodiac, tank top, Cancer sign shirt, astrology tee, summer beachwear, celestial design, crab, graphic top, birthday gift idea, light blue tee, women's fashion, tank top gift, Cancerian apparel, star sign clothing, graphic tank. Now, women's fashion is very broad, so maybe I want to remove this one. All I have to do is click it once. Boom. Click it, gone. Now I can type my own. So I can say like Cancer zodiac sign. Boom. I just replaced it with my own tag. It saves automatically and we move on, guys. How easy was that? You'll notice there's an inventory and pricing tab. We don't actually need to do anything there. And the keywords tab, we don't need to do anything here. Everything we need for Etsy is done by the Vision AI, the title, the tags, the description. So now let's go ahead and click publish in the top right corner, publish listings. Now I'm going to click products and we will publish this to products. So here you can go ahead and select your Etsy shop, which it's going to default automatically to the right shop if you already have one connected. That's really there because MyDesigns allows you to connect to multiple Etsy shops if you choose to. Next, click pick a product. Now we said we're going to do tank tops. So it was the 3480 is the tank top that we're publishing to. You can see they have it listed twice, but it's really the same tank top, whether you choose the men's or the women's. It is the same product at the end of the day. Now you have 3 different production partners that can fulfill it. I'm going to go ahead and click Printful. Okay, I've been using Printful since 2017 for fulfillment, and I trust them. They own all of their own fulfillment facilities. They employ everybody there. They've got a really long history of being a solid, reliable production partner. So that's who I'm going to work with for the sake of this video. And I've been using them since 2017. They've fulfilled tens of thousands of orders for me, and they are integrated into MyDesigns. So now what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to add all of our mockups here. By just simply clicking, it adds the mockups and the video right there. By the way, if you want to rearrange the order, all you have to do is left click and drag it around to change the order of the mockups. So if I want to move the unisex one or the man and the woman one to the second place, I can do it just like that. The video is always going to be listed last by Etsy, so just so you know. And it also supports back print, by the way. We didn't talk about that, but for the sake of this video, we'll just do front print. I want to take just a second to let you know that MyDesigns supports selling multiple product types in one listing. So you can actually click add product up here, and that will allow you to list this same designs on, we did a tank top, but we could also list it on a t-shirt, a hoodie, a long sleeve shirt, all in the same product listing. So it's very powerful software. It's more of an advanced feature. This is meant to be a beginner video, so we will skip that. So here in the colors section, what colors do you want to make this available for sale on? What do you say we just make it available on all of the colors that we think will look good? I don't think red will look good because we have red text. Same kind of with the blue there. Maybe the athletic heather, oatmeal tri-blend, and white. I think all of those will look good. As we click the colors, you notice that it added some additional mockups down here. In order to get rid of those, because I didn't intend on us using them, I'm just going to click the eye icon with the strike through it, and then it gets rid of those, okay? Now I'm going to click choose prices in the top right corner, and here we can set the pricing for our products. So you can see that it's going to cost $13.73 for fulfillment. So we need to price that in. Also, keep in mind, Etsy will take a fee as well for all sales that go through the platform. It's their referral fee. Price that into your price. Okay, now you can actually set pricing in bulk. I recommend that, guys. So here it says all sizes. With it set to all sizes and all colors, we're going to set a default price of how about $21.99, and I'm going to click apply. So now every single color, which I think we selected like 6 different colors, something like that, and all sizes, extra small, small, medium, large, XL, 2XL, are going to have a price point of $21.99. But if you actually look here, guys, it looks like the 2XL has a higher base cost of $15.57 up from $13.72. So let's price that in, and instead of charging $21.99, why don't we go over here to the left-hand side where it says all sizes, go to 2XL, and instead of $21.99, let's do $23.99, and then click apply. So now all of the 2XL sizing will be charging $23.99 instead of $21.99 to make up for the fact that there's higher base costs associated with that size. Also on Etsy, guys, I do recommend, this is more of an advanced Etsy tactic, but the price that your customer sees in the search results is the lowest price of any SKU in your listing. So that means we can take one color and one size combination, mark that down, and that'll increase the click-through rate to our listing because that's the lower price that they're going to see. So over here on the left-hand side, I'm going to go to size XS, and then I'm going to select one color only. So I'm going to go ahead and just click white. Okay, and I'm going to charge for this $15.99 and hit apply. So now on all 13 product listings that we're creating, the color white size extra small is going to be charging $15.99. So we're barely making any profit there. But when someone sees our listing in search results, it's going to say $15.99, even though for the most part, we're charging more. You can call that predatory if you want, but guys, this is the game being played on Etsy. Etsy's engineers that manipulated how list price is shown in search results, they're the reason that people have to do this, right? You have to do this to compete. If everybody's selling tank tops that look like they're 15 bucks and yours looks like it's $22, you're going to really struggle. So the purpose of me telling you this, guys, is to help you actually make sales because everybody else is doing this. All your competitors are doing this. So next up, I'm going to go to preview publish info. You can go ahead, take this chance to look over what you're about to publish. Okay, you can just scroll and see. If everything looks good, guys, all that's left to do is go ahead and click publish in the top right corner, and it'll send these to your Etsy shop as drafts. From there, go into your Etsy shop manager, select all, and publish. If they sell, they will be automatically fulfilled in MyDesigns, guys. And MyDesigns will also upload your tracking info so that Etsy knows that you shipped it to your customer, and they'll notify your customer as well. The difference between what you pay and what you collect from the customer is yours to keep as profit. Guys, hopefully I impressed you with what I showed you today. MyDesigns is implementing the latest, greatest technology at a rapid pace, allowing us, you and me, to directly benefit from it with our businesses. This is why I get so excited talking about it. If you weren't blown away by the Vision AI, by the way, then I don't know how to impress you. So guys, I kid around, but for real, I use the software every day. You can actually use it for a program called Amazon Merch as well. And I use that literally every day. Like while I record this video, I'm using it in the background of my computer. So I really believe in this software. You can find my link to it in the description of this video. I hope that helped. Do you have questions? Let me know in the comment section. But guys, that's all I wanted to show you today. Thank you for watching. By the way, I'll also link to my CNBC feature article as well in the description in case you missed it. But thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon with a new video.